Let's learn how to make paper stars bracelet today. So for the paper stars, you can refer to the last video which I made on how to make paper stars from the strip. And today we are learning how to make paper stars bracelet. For that we need one very strong thread. You can get it from the local shop. This is called it's kind of like a plastic thread, more or like used in making bracelets. Okay, take a double string. Okay, do not lock it. At the end we will lock it. Okay, keep it loose and a needle. Okay, so let's start with the yellow stars first. So we will just push the stars through. One, count it like how you can just like take a measure of your wrist for the same, and then when you will push through the another star. Okay, this is 3. Push through the stars. Okay, and this is 4. So we have taken 4 stars on it. Now we are going for a 5th middle star. This one is in pink color. We just push through the star too. Okay, now we will push through more 4 yellow stars. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is our 3rd star. Okay. This is our 4th star. Now what we will do, see, this is how you can push through more stars if you want. I'm just going till 4 stars, 4 on the one side, 4 on the other side, and in the middle a pink star. So for locking we will take the loop. Okay, for the loop we'll attach the loop. What I will do again is just and just squeeze out. So our lock is properly locked. Now we will go through our thread, take our thread, and just what we will do is like push the string ahead. Okay, and what we will do is just sew through the jump string. Just take it back towards where it belongs and I hold it tight and just go through it twice, thrice, like how many times you till you feel it secure, and we will just knot it up. Okay, 1, 2, and this is our 3rd one. Hold and go through again. Okay, see, it's locked in position. Okay, this is how we'll go to the second time. We will move it from here. Now we will go through it again. Just push through your stars. 2. This is all we get when you push all the stars to the string. Then we will cut the string from here. Now what we'll do is take the 2 threads which are remaining on the other end, and we will just tie it up and just take a knot and just secure it. Okay, only once we will do it because we still have the joining loop pending. take a loop like this, pull through first one, okay, and just tight, like go through the loop 3 to 4 times. So this is there. Okay, this is how we did it. Now we'll cut all the extra threads. Make sure your needle safely, and the paper star bracelet is ready. And just let me just put it on my hand. I will show you. I'm just wrapping it around my hand. Okay, and this is how it looks. And this is school for school going kids, little toddlers, and everyone. A paper star bracelet is ready.